Now, this is the future of screens. No bulky monitors, no cables, no limits. Just you and a cinematic virtual display right in the front of your face. Welcome to the new XREAL One Pro. Now, in this video, I will guide you through the complete user manual from fit and setup to pro settings, smart features, and real-world tips that makes all the difference. So if you're thinking about picking up one, of course the link will be in the description below, or if you just want to master yours, you're in the right place. Let's check it out. Now, in my other videos, I have complete unboxings and first impressions, so you can check those out after you finish watching this one if you like. So, just as a review, here's what comes inside the box. You're going to get the glasses, a USB Type-C video cable, 3 different nose clips, a microfiber cloth, and a rigid case along with the user manual. So let's start with the nose pads. They slide off by gently pinching the clips and pulling outward. Replace them by sliding the new pad onto the nose rail until it clicks. Try all 3 for the most comfortable fit for you and your nose. Not my nose, but your nose. Adjust the temples or arms. They lift inward at 3 different angles, helping the One Pro hug your face like it loves it. Now, weighing just 84 grams, the One Pro is light, but proper fit is essential for long sessions, especially if you're going to binge watch some movies like I got an opportunity to do here recently. If you wear glasses, XREAL offers prescription inserts, and to install them, you simply take it, flip it in, move the nose guard out, and the magnetic clip will automatically snap to the top of the frame. The One Pro also gives you not 1 but 2 screen models. It gives you the anchor mode, which keeps the display fixed mid-air like a floating TV right in front of your face. And then it gives you the follow mode, which moves with your gaze. You gaze and it moves. All right, and the way to operate that is you long press the X button on your screen. Now inside you're going to get display settings to choose from, and you have 4. One would be the 16.9 standard, the other one would be the ultra wide, and then the side view with a minimal overlay, and then finally you're going to get the 3D mode for SBS video playback. To resize it, you go to display, screen size, and then distance. It lets you change the screen from 1.5 to 4 meters away. So basically, it's like carrying a theater in your pocket. Now this is great when you're on a plane or a bus ride or anything like that, then you'll be able to watch while you're riding. Next up, let's talk about the brightness, the dimming, and the transparency. You use the X and the minus button on the right temple to adjust brightness, and it adjusts up to 700 nits. It's visible even in bright rooms. And here is the futuristic part, electrochromic dimming. Basically, the outer lens automatically darkens in bright light and clears up when inactive. You can turn on auto transparent in the display settings so that the lenses become clear when you look away or pause. All right, so let's talk about the device compatibility, the audio, and the hookup. Now, it has built-in Bose speakers, and they give surprisingly immersive directional audio. And this is great for media, quiet enough to keep things private. Although I have to say, for me, they're not loud enough, nor is the bass as powerful as I like my bass, because I like my bass booming. I boom my bass. All right, as far as the hookup is concerned, you simply plug in your USB Type-C cable into your glasses, and then the other one into your device like iPhone, Android phone, Stream Deck, Switch, or PC. Now on the PC, you have to change the output device to XREAL One. For PS5s or Xboxes, you go to the settings and you switch to DP audio mode. So here's what the button does. The X button, you can toggle anchor or follow and recenter screen. The quick button, you can toggle transparency and custom actions, 3D, dimming, etc. The volume up and down or plus and minus button adjusts the brightness, the volume, or the IPD, content sensitive, of course. Now, left-handed, you simply flip the control scheme on the others and you hit the reverse menu direction. Now, in the Pro setting, you'll find your IPD adjustment, interpupillary distance, and you set it in the display, IPD. The M version supports 57 to 66 millimeters, and the L version covers 66 to 75 millimeters. Now you can also remap your quick button for instant 3D, audio switching, or display modes. Here's my tip. Assign it to toggle between ultra wide view. Is perfect for productivity. And if you want a subtle hack, here's one. Set your screen to low brightness plus auto transparency, and this is perfect for passive use during commutes or flights. If you want to see what's going on around you. For example, what's going on with that guy sitting in that seat next to me? He's looking kind of suspicious. Daily care, cleaning, and safety. Only use the included USB-C cable that they provide because it's optimized for data and not power. And you don't want to send power through your thing. You might seriously mess it up. Always store your glasses in the case when not in use, because these Micro-OLED lenses are delicate, and trust me, you'll want to protect them. All right, so now you have it. Your complete XREAL One Pro Master Guide. This device is one of the most flexible AR displays out there. Movies, multitasking, gaming, it fits directly into your digital life like nothing else. And guess what? We're just at the beginning. It's just getting started. If you made it this far, chances are you're a real one. Catch that? Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss what's next, or drop a light bulb emoji in the comment if you learned something new. Yep, just drop that in that comment. It'll help me out so I can help you out. And grab your XREAL One Pro using the link in the description. And hey, if you want some real world tests, head over to my XREAL One Pro review in that video there, or maybe that one there, or maybe that one. No, it's not down there.